Alright, this video I'm going to compare three fans here. I've got, let me go ahead and introduce them to you first. This is the Ken Brown 24-inch industrial fan. You see here we've got the Hykolity 20-inch fan and floor fan, and then over here we've got the HiCFM 20-inch pedestal fan. I'm going to actually turn all three of these on so you can hear them in the video. The CFM is typically the rating they use to measure fans as far as how much air they're going to move. This 24-inch Ken Brown fan is rated at 9,500 CFM. The Hykolity on the floor there is 4,600 CFM, and the HiCFM pedestal fan is 5,000 CFM. All of them are going to have 3 speeds. You can see this is an 8-blade fan, a 3-blade fan, and a 5-blade fan. Turn them on and hear the noise level. Not the quietest fans ever. These are if you're really trying to move some air, like in a workshop or somewhere like that. So let's plug them on and give them a listen. Let's start with the Hykolity fan. I like that you can tilt it, raise and lower the angle of it very easily, very easy assembly, and relatively quiet. Probably going to be the quietest of these 3 fans. It's also made where you can hang it on the wall, but it doesn't come a remote, and the control to turn on is on the back of the fan. That was on high speed. Let's try the other 2. Alright, we're going to go high speed on the HiCFM, a little bit louder. It also has the oscillating feature, so push that down, it starts the fan oscillating. This one was very easy to assemble as well, and metal construction. So let's turn it off. And lastly, we'll turn on the Ken Brown fan in high speed. It is 9,500 CFM, moving the most air. And the fan blades moving the most air, but also the loudest of the 3 as well. These fans all get good reviews on Amazon. Hope this video is helpful and give me a side-by-side comparison.